Welcome guys, in today's video I want to share with you how to easily create QR code from your own image with the QR Diffusion. So get started. I highly recommend go for the dynamic QR code. Just create a new one, select the destination for your QR code, type your title, and click to create. Don't forget to type the title to select the right QR code. And click next. At this point, you can choose the output size of your picture. In case your picture is bigger than our output size, don't worry about this and just continue with the biggest one. Add the click button and choose any picture from your computer. I already uploaded a few pictures from my computer, so let's go to select any of them. Let's go with the burger. In this point you cannot see whole picture but use the scale to make the picture smaller. Select the part you want to use for the QR code. And be sure there is no any white space between the picture and the frame. Edit the size of the QR code and place it where you want to have it. It's better to have bigger one for the readability and click next. In third step, be sure to edit the prompt. Write burger, tasty food or something proper to your QR code. You can also play with the expect settings. For example, raise the steps or the scale and click to the generate. And here you go with the QR code integrated into the picture. The QR code is dynamic, so you can change the destination at any time. This makes the QR code perfect marketing tool to attract the attention of your customers. So enjoy the generation process and have a great time.